Hey guys, I'm Casey and I'm the owner of Sugarfoot Travel. Today I want to tell you a little bit about insurance. One of the most common questions I get when offering someone insurance is, what does it cover? This, however, has a very tricky answer because not all insurances are created equal. Here you will see a general guideline to this question. As a travel agent, I always recommend trip insurance because I have seen so many things go wrong. Can you get your money back without insurance? Possibly, but it's a big risk. Airlines don't typically allow changes without charging a penalty, and you need to be aware of your cancellation dates as well. Life happens and insurance is there to make the hard times easier. Some things we are prepared for, and some things we aren't. You'll want to choose your insurance according to your needs. Basic insurance will cover things like illness, death of a family member, hospitalization, and inclement weather. There are a couple different ways to get insurance. The first is through your credit card. Some credit cards offer travel insurance if you purchase the entire trip with your card, but you'll need to verify the details with the bank. The second is by booking insurance directly with the supplier. A supplier is a company that you would book any portion of a vacation with, such as Expedia. And the third option is using a third party. Now, a third-party insurance will cover all parts of your trip, even if you don't book them with the same supplier. Having one policy for the entire trip ensures that if something were to happen to one portion of the trip, the other parts would be covered as well. Insurance through a credit card is very cheap, but it is only good if you book the entire trip with that credit card. You will want to check with the benefits department for maximum coverage amounts because some companies have a payout limit per claim. This means that although your vacation cost $5,000, they may only refund you up to $3,500. Purchasing a plan through a supplier is oftentimes the best option, especially if you need a cancel for any reason waiver. This waiver can include a 100% cashback option or a future travel credit. The future travel credit option will be cheaper, but they typically expire after 1 year, and you must use the same supplier to book the new trip. Therefore, if you book with United and opt for a travel voucher, your next trip will also need to be on United. However, you do not have to go to the same destination. Third-party insurance is best when booking with multiple suppliers, although the policies will typically cost more than booking direct with a supplier. An example of this is if you were to book your flights and hotels separately, but you only want one insurance. These policies are priced based on the customer's age, state of residence, and destination, but can also be customized for your specific needs. Sadly, the cancel for any reason policy is not part of the basic insurance plan, so you must ask for it to be added, and it typically doesn't have the option to receive a 100% refund. What is the cancel for any reason waiver, you ask? This is a policy that allows you to cancel with a refund for any reason that isn't covered under the basic plan, such as fear of travel, change of plans, and more. To use this waiver, you do not have to provide documentation for the reason you are canceling. You just cancel and wait on the refund. No questions asked and no extra paperwork to fill out. This waiver looks different when booked with different companies, so be sure to know what you are paying for. So what type of insurance do you need? Well, I can't make that decision for you, but you can get a good idea by checking out this flowchart. People tell me all the time that they will go no matter what, don't purchase insurance, and then end up losing all of their money due to having to cancel for things such as illness, death in the family, and car wrecks. But insurance doesn't stop at cancellations. I've had customers receive a refund for half of their cruise for being quarantined to their room or receive money to replace their stolen iPad. It really can make a difference. I hope you learned a lot of information about travel insurance, and thank you for booking your vacations with Sugarfoot Travel, your international destination specialist.